Good evening. This is day 7 of our Walk and Talk podcast, and I thought when I come to my hometown, I thought beach would be a great place to make these videos. But I just came to realize that it is a heavily crowded place, and see, people are looking at this, and I'm a bit little shy inside or outside. I'm a bit feeling difficult to talk with so many people. And today we have special music as well with us. I don't see him to. I don't think this video will put copyright because of this background music. So maybe I just want to, if I have to share one video, one thing that really inspired me in these 2 days is, yesterday I discovered this book called Light from Many Sources. Day before yesterday I discovered this book, Light from Many Sources, and in that book, the book is really beautiful. Do you believe that Abdul Kalam has kept that book as a dearest friend for him for 50 years? And with that, he learned a lot of things, because what that book contains greatest thoughts from greatest people from all the time, even greatest authors. One example that I have really loved is Abraham Lincoln's letter to his son's teacher. That really inspired me. If possible, I'll try to read it out, but you can simply Google, or I'll simply post it on the screen so that you can see and you can read it. I think every parent should read that line, read that letter. When you read it, you will know why it is that important. Yes. So maybe I thought to tell that one point. Listen to some good music, walk in the nature, and don't invade someone's privacy much. Let them do their work. Just you do your work. And we are getting greater announcement from our police department.
One side parking, right side చేసుకోవాలండి. అలాగే గోదావరి పరిహార ప్రాంతంలో లోతుగా నది ప్రమాదం ఉంటుంది.
They are giving instructions.
వరదనే రుతున్న కారణంగా వారికి వెళ్ళి సెల్ఫీలు ఫోటోలు ఏం తీసుకున్నా మీరు జారిపడ్డారంటే సముద్రంలోకి పోతారు, అనుమానం లేదు. కాబట్టి వారికి ఎవరు వెళ్ళకూడదు, జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి. అలాగే ఈ బీచ్ లో ట్రిపుల్స్ వెళ్తున్నారండి. ఎవరు వెళ్ళినా సరే
They are giving instructions.
చాలా రాస్తారు. ముందే చెప్తున్నాం, మీకు హెచ్చరించి చెప్తున్నాం. ట్రిపుల్స్ వెళ్ళకూడదు అన్నా. టూరిస్టులు అంటే పని అవ్వదు ఇక్కడ. మీరు వచ్చే రాని లేకపోతే వెళ్ళిపోండి, ఎవరో రాకుండా పర్లేదు. చట్టాలు ఎత్తుకెళ్ళకూడదు, అది ట్రిపుల్స్. అలాగే ర్యాష్ డ్రైవింగ్ చేసినా కూడా మీ మీద చాలానే వేస్తారు. అడుగడుకుని పోలీసు ఉండదు. మేము ఏమైనా వచ్చాం చాలానే కట్టామనకూడదు. మీకు తప్పు చేద్దాం. మట్టిలో పాలు పెట్టారు, కడుక్కొని అనవసరం కదా, పెట్టకుండా ఉండాలి ముందు. అది కాబట్టి జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి. ఎవరో కూడా ట్రిపుల్ డ్రైవ్ చేయకూడదు, ర్యాష్ డ్రైవ్ చేయకూడదు. అలాగే నది వారికి వెళ్ళి సెల్ఫీలు తీసుకుని పడిపోయారనుకో మీకే బాధ్యత. తర్వాత పడిపోయిన తర్వాత
He's telling don't take selfies from the river side and don't fall inside. Be careful because of the flood.
అన్ని చూడాలి, వెళ్ళాలి, అంతేగాని
Actually, I had a different plan today. Let him complete first.
వేరే ప్రదేశంలో చేయకూడదండి.
Okay. I think I had a different plan today because my sister is actually sitting there. She has a lot of reviews for my videos. She wanted to tell a lot of things. I asked my brother also how he felt. He said, I don't get that interest to watch your videos. He said that yesterday. And I thought, yes, I also didn't find that beautiful, that great. But I still continue to do these videos. I'll still try to continue to eat your brains. Maybe you can skip. But I just want to improve myself bit by bit, like I said yesterday, like I said for the whole week. But I want to take important feedbacks. If you have any important feedbacks for me, you can simply give them, and I will note them down. And I am also learning a lot of things. I'm also trying to implement a lot of things. And this is just, like I said, 1% improvement. This is just 1% of what and all I have in my mind. So there is a lot of things that are going in my mind. I might show them in future. I'm trying this for about past 5 years, but I'm failing multiple times because of multiple reasons. Maybe because I don't have greater wisdom with me, greater points with me to convey. But I think this time I'm coming up with much more flexible formulas, so that I don't squeeze myself completely, but I will apply whatever the things that I have. I'll learn whatever things that I need, and then I'll improve day by day. That was the only formula that I have in my mind. So we'll meet you another time. If you have any feedback, important feedback, please do share it with me. I thought today I can do a review video, but this is not that greater environment. I didn't feel that this is a great environment just to walk, but not record videos. I don't even know how well my voice is recording. I'm sorry if there are much disturbances, but please do improve. If you have any problem, if you want to achieve something, if you have any desire within yourself, try to think what are the challenges that you have, and try to acknowledge them and find a solution. And please do improve yourself 1%, and keep doing and keep improving. Yesterday I read a quote from Pablo Picasso. It says, action is the only thing that we can do, or it sounds something like that. Action is the only power that we have. So please do take action. Please do act on something. You might have 100 ideas within your head, but if you don't act on any one idea, they are invaluable. So please do act on at least one idea and improve at least 1% of your thing, and put your ideas into action. Okay, we'll meet you next one. Bye bye.